Welcome in our project, How to Build an Apex Project with Salesforce. In this second lesson, we are going to use an Apex variable in a screen flow.
Thanks, Julian. Our project teams work on the hospital of tomorrow, connected to people in every second thanks to connected devices and Salesforce. In the first lesson, we have created a blood mass index formula in Apex for the patient. In this second lesson, we will create a screen flow in order to select all patients with a BMI less than 15 and to prevent doctors thanks to a button.
Welcome to Salesforce. The doctor is arrived very early today. He would like to check all patients with a BMI under 15 in priority. We have built 3 tools: a custom Butem, an Apex class, and a screen flow connected to the Apex class and the button. In the developer console, we created a public class called Select Patient. Add invocable method means that the class will be used in a flow. We created after a method fetch patients in order to select all patient with a BMI less than 15. You have to notice that the method contains a parameter called testList. If you had an input variable in a flow, we could use it. We created 2 local lists. Local list means that the variables belong to the method. It's more simple to work like this because you can ask the method to do all you want without limits and attribute the result to an Salesforce object at the end as result return. The first list will iterate on the custom objet santé and the second list will be output variable for our flow. We have created a string variable nuclementare which will be the concatenated result. To read all patients with a BMI under 15, we have to use a SOQL request on santé object and to iterate with a loop on the object. ListOfPatients.add means that the list will add the return of the request each time a patient will match with the SOQL request. As you can see, we converted all variable in string variable in the loop with the expression string.valueof to prevent code error because of compatibility between string and integer, for example. Now, we want to return a variable for our screen flow, but our flow will return a single variable. So we need to use a method to convert a string list in a single variable. This method is called string.join. At the end, we add this single variable to our list. Test list 2 will be a list with 1 index. As administrator, you are very comfortable with a screen flow. Because of the invocable method in our Apex code, we can add the Apex code to our flow. We created a variable called testList. It's very simple. This variable will equal the output of our Apex flow, which is the return variable. To secure our flow, we created a tree of choice. If the return is null, the screen flow will write no patients to contact. Else, the message will appear. To work this screen flow, need a trigger. It will be a custom flow button. This custom button is connected to the flow and indirectly connected to the Apex code, which is simple and useful for lots of needs. Today our doctor have to contact 2 patients. Their connected devices have recorded a BMI under 15.
Thanks, Julian. We hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day.